now we got all 4 pieces that are closed up on one end. So what we want to do is we want to turn this inside out. So our cut and our seams are on the inside. So we'll just roll it like this. Almost like a sock. You probably, if you don't sew, you probably could use a sock. Get a big long tube sock. That would probably work. Okay. Pretty much what it looks like is a big tube sock. So we turned it inside out. What we're going to do for each one, we're going to come down 2 inches. On each one. Turn it inside out, come down 2 inches. And then we're going to sew, come down 2 inches, then we're going to sew at this area. Okay, we've sewed this here. Now we're going to do that with the rest of these, and then I'll come back to the next step.